so much for tuning back into my channel. It is your girl, Princess Jess, and today we are here with a kind of sort of different video today. I'm showing you guys my go-to makeup. I recommend all of these products, and I hope that you guys like the video that you're about to tune into now. I'm going to start off by using my Hydrogrip primer by Milk Makeup, which is absolutely amazing. It's mad tacky so that, you know, your foundation, whatever you're using, it sticks to your face. It doesn't like move anywhere. So I absolutely love and adore this. The Too Faced Born This Way foundation now. You guys will see a clip of me like actually using it for the first time. I'm wearing it right now. First of all, my face matches my whole body. That's one. Two, in the video or in the clip of me using this freaking foundation, girl, the shit blended in. And it already looks so good. It's so blended. It's really soft. So now I'm just gonna dust off the excess. It's funny, I use a blush brush to dust off the powder from my face because it doesn't do too much. All right, y'all, so now that it's all dusted off, I absolutely love it. Like, it looks like skin. You know, we had to bring the Riri in this bitch. You already know Rihanna was gonna be in this video, okay? So I went along and I got this Fenty bronzer. This is in the color Mocha Mami. I fucking love it. This shit is dumb hard to open, so this is it. So pretty, so pretty. Because I didn't show you guys my lippy that I'm gonna go with today, I'm gonna show you guys real quick. This is like my go-to nude for when I'm going out. I'm gonna go in using my Skimp. Y'all know my shit is always Skimp, okay? My Skimp NYX, I forgot what color this is, but first I'm gonna go in with some Carmax. You always want your lips to be moisturized when you're using a mattifying lipstick, okay? So I'm not gonna put too much. Okay. And I like to kiss the back of my hand so that the excess that's on my mouth comes off. Okay, and just like that, we don't have too much product. So now I'm gonna go in using my NYX, my brown lip liner, and I'm gonna line my lips. Okay, I'm gonna use my Fenty mirror, so if I'm looking down, y'all know why. Now that we're done lining our lips, I'm gonna grab my NYX lingerie. This is in the color what is it? Lipli? and it's like a ballerina pink type of color. And I'm just going to put this in the center of my lips. I'm not going to put it all around, just the center. And I'm going to blend that in by smacking my lips together and using my lip liner, you'll see. So just in the middle. See how easy that was? And because I used Carmex earlier, the matte lipstick is easier to move around and to blend into my lips without me having to like pack my finger or use a brush. That's just how I easily do it. Last but not least, I'm gonna go in using my Essence. This is the best lip gloss out there. This is the clear one, obviously. And I'm just going to go over my whole lip with it. My last and final complete step is going in using my favorite, this is one of my favorite setting sprays, and I'm just going to spritz my entire face with it to set everything. And just like that, we're done. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Y'all already know the drill, yo, with that. And I will see you guys in the next video.